Our network is getting smart and changing the way our motorways work by operating 4, or in some cases 5 lanes for driving. By using the latest technology, speed limits can be managed during congestion and incidents to smooth the flow of traffic. This should result in fewer hold-ups and fewer collisions, so you're more likely to get to your destination on time. Smart motorways with 4 lanes permanently open to traffic are referred to as all-lane running. The M6 Junctions 13 to 15 scheme will involve permanent conversion of the hard shoulder to create a 4th lane and changing the junctions to accommodate it, as well as new CCTV cameras and electronic information signs and signals on gantries. These will show variable mandatory speed limits and manage traffic flow and incidents. We are improving the busy 28-kilometre stretch of the M6 between Junction 13 at Stafford and Junction 15 near Newcastle under Lyme and Stoke-on-Trent by upgrading it to an all-lane running smart motorway. The project is an important element of Highways England's plan to create a smart spine connecting London and the North West. Advanced works are scheduled to begin in February 2017, with work on the main scheme starting in early 2018. It will be open early in 2020. We're currently working on the detailed design of the various elements. We will be upgrading the safety barriers at Dunstan and Norton railway bridges. Because of low headroom over the hard shoulder, the existing Burton Bank footbridge will be demolished and replaced with a new bridge, which will provide enough space underneath it for HGVs when the hard shoulder becomes a running lane. The new bridge will be entirely within Highways England land and will maintain the current public right-of-way across the motorway. A vital feature of smart motorways is the stopping points, commonly referred to as emergency refuge areas or ERAs. Located on the left of the motorway, they should only be accessed in genuine emergencies. There will be 20 new ERAs within the M6 Junctions 13 to 15 smart motorway scheme. Motorway service areas and hard shoulders on slip roads can also be used. If you are driving at 60 miles per hour, you will reach a place you can stop in an emergency every 75 seconds on average. In the event of your car breaking down, you should leave your vehicle if it is safe to do so, otherwise stay inside with your seatbelt on. You can use a stopping point as an area for safety while you wait for your breakdown service to arrive. Should a situation occur where you are unable to make it to a stopping point, it will be picked up by our control centres through CCTV coverage or detection technology in the roads. Our traffic forecasts show that 4 lanes will be needed in both directions through Junction 14 to reduce congestion, so we will be widening Creswell Viaduct to accommodate 4-lane running and improve the capacity and safety of the southbound entry slip road. Creswell Viaducts 2 and 3 and the intermediate embankment will be widened by around 5 metres over a total length of about 300 metres. The widening will be entirely within existing Highways England land and without impacting the adjacent Doxey and Tillington site of special scientific interest. We will be installing nearly 2 kilometres of new noise barriers in built-up areas, which will double the existing provision. We will be removing Creswell Home Farm overbridge, which is already redundant because it is blocked off and cannot be used to cross from one side of the motorway to the other. This will create additional space to improve the safety and capacity of the northbound entry slip and southbound exit slip, and will also remove an unnecessary maintenance liability. The high-tech system used on smart motorways means a red X can be set above a lane to prevent traffic from using it. A red X will be used when a lane is blocked by a broken down vehicle, an incident or debris. When you see a red X above a lane, you must not drive in it because it is dangerous and illegal. If you ignore a red X, you would be breaking the law and may find yourself being prosecuted. Smart motorways are designed to reduce congestion and improve journey time reliability so that you get to where you need to on time. When traffic volumes increase, sensors activate lower speeds in order to decrease stop-start conditions and smooth traffic flow. These speed limits are mandatory and must be followed. We will be hardening the central reserve and installing a new reinforced barrier to improve safety for the travelling public and reduce maintenance requirements. The work will also reduce risk for maintenance teams. We will be making improvements to Junction 15 to make it easier and safer to use and improve visibility. This work will include new street lighting on the motorway and all the slip roads, as well as updating the junction arrangements to improve operational safety. On the northbound approach to Junction 15, we are also providing additional signalling and signage to improve driver awareness. We can't tackle junctions 15 to 16 at the moment because it would need extra land and a development consent order, which would take too long and cost too much to be justifiable, given the relatively low benefits which would be realised. But we will be extending the new central reservation for 2 kilometres beyond junction 15 to incorporate safety-related essential maintenance that will also prevent disruption in the future. Smart motorways allow a proactive approach to the management of our strategic road network. They provide additional capacity for vehicles, reduce congestion and delays, improve the response and detection of incidents and improve journey reliability. By understanding the signs, speed limits and what to do in a breakdown situation, you are more likely to experience a safe and improved journey. For more information, visit the Highways England website.